How I sleep with Thoracic Outlet Syndrome. Hopefully my camera will keep recording and keep shutting off. Hi, my name is Jim. I've had Thoracic Outlet Syndrome for about 45 years now. I had surgery on my right side about 33 years ago, and I've never had the left side done. So the way I sleep, I think I've talked about this several times in videos, but I haven't made too many videos lately, so I'll talk about it again. It's funny, I just went to the cardiologist just today. Had to get an echocardiogram done, and because I had open heart surgery in 2012, because I've had endocarditis twice. Second time it ate up my heart valve, so I had to have heart valve replaced. But so I get this, supposed to get it checked like every year or so, but I kind of put it off for a couple of years. But anyway, I went and did that today, and the lady said, oh, can you lay on your left side? I'm like, well, yeah, that's my side I can lay on. Have you ever heard of Thoracic Outlet Syndrome? She goes, yeah, actually I have. But anyway, so she had me lay on that side, which is the side I sleep on. So that worked out really well for me, because this side, the side I had surgery on, I still have pain in the back of that shoulder, so I've never been able to sleep on that side since. So I always sleep on my left side on this shoulder, even though there's a little more pain in this shoulder. Maybe it's in the front side of this shoulder. In the last several videos I talked about the pain. It's kind of in the front of my shoulder, kind of where the bicep ties in there. But the pain's there. Not so much pain in the front of this shoulder, it's more in the back. But so anyway, I always sleep on my left side, and I have to wrap my arms around something. I take this little stuffed animal and just kind of hold it like this, because for some reason it's just more comfortable to keep my arms in close to my body when I sleep. And for years, I had this one pillow that I used. It was really, really flat. It kept getting flatter and flatter. And it was finally to the point where it was too flat. It was like not even having a pillow anymore. So sometimes I would fold it over. And I think 2 or 3 years ago now, I decided, I think I really need to try to get a new pillow. But all these ones you buy, like in the stores and stuff, those big puffy ones are horrible. They make my neck hurt. Just can't lay on them, and I could just make my neck ache and stuff if I try to sleep on those. So what I ended up getting was, this is one of those My Pillows, the My Pillow guy, and I ordered that from his website. And the nice thing about these pillows is there was several different filling choices. I think there was, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 different choices, but from real full to thin. So I ordered the thinnest one with the least amount of filling, and it works pretty good for me. So I've been sleeping on that one for about 2.5, 3 years now, I guess, and it's pretty good. So like I said, I always sleep on my left side, because this shoulder hurts if I lay on it. So I have to sleep on this shoulder. I can lay on my back for a little bit, but if I end up sleeping on my back, usually I wake up with my neck, both sides of my neck hurt, and sometimes I'll have a headache. So if I lay on my back for very long, it's not very good. I can kind of lay there for, a few minutes if I just want to change positions for a little bit. But usually if I fall asleep in that position, I always end up with my neck and my head hurting after. So that's about it. I can't really think of anything else. Actually, I think I'm feeling pretty good. I don't think I got flared up from the echogram this morning. So that's a good thing, because sometimes things like that it'll flare me up, like in the dentist office too. Like if you have to stay in the dentist chair for too long, or they're doing stuff to your teeth. I've had that flare me up, things like that. So I'm actually not feeling too bad right now. So that's just a little update on how I sleep. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.